Welcome to my lessons first, right? And first we are going to do the layering with this variety called Ficus Westland. It's belong to the ficus family, and normally the root system of these plants are very strong root systems. Sometimes you get the aerial roots also, but depend on the weather and the climate. So here I am going to do the layering and to get the new plants. So first I will do the about rim barking. About the height is nearly about a half inch is ideal. So both you have to get the good this in, and you have to peel off the bark. When you peel off the bark, you have to make sure that the cambium layer also should remove it like this. You have to scrape it nicely. Then what will happen here is all the transformation of the food material is going to be stopped from here.
I want to zoom in so they can see that you're peeling this layer.
Yeah. So here you have to do a little scraping because to remove the cambium. Now this is the exact way you have to do it, peel off the bark. So now after that I'm going to insert the polythene.
It's optional to use rooting hormone.
Yes.
At this stage.
Yes. We can use. I have rooting hormone also. I can use that also. Actually, there's a lot of brands. These are the organic rooting powder.
Yeah, but they can use any type of rooting powder.
Yeah. So you can just apply. If you apply in a little bit, just with the wet condition, it would be ideal. But here. I'm going to use the polythene. Should be a little bit of a thicker gauge. Should be ideal.
But they can use sandwich bags. They can use.
Yes. Even they can use the foil also. But the problem with the foil, the roots won't transparent.
Yeah, you will not see.
You will not see that one.
And the whole idea is to see when the roots emerge, so you know.
That's right.
That you have to transplant it in a pot.
Yes. It should be overlap with this, like this. Should be ideal now. Right. Now, with the help of string, you have to tie the bottom very firmly. Now the stage is the final stage. You have to insert the potting mixture. So here in Kuwait you can use colite. It would be ideal because it's coir dust mixed with some calcium. It would be accelerating the rooting very fast. It will be rooted very fast.
If they don't have coilite, what are the other options?
They can use for the the cocoa peat.
Yes.
The peat moss. They can use the peat moss or coir dust.
Okay.
If not, they can use the very old compost.
Okay.
Highly decomposed. The compost shouldn't generate any heat.
Yes.
That also you can use as there's another option as option. So here what you have to do, you have to tighten as much as you can.
So you have to pack it all in very
tight, yes.
And then usually when would the roots form?
After 15 days, you can see the milky roots coming up. So you just allow another 1 week to get the maturity, the root maturity. Then the root will be changing the color into the slightly yellowish.
Okay.
Then the ideal stage to
Cut it off.
off.
Okay, so now it's all packed in.
Yes, all packed in, and
secure.
again, and from the tight, from the upper portion, you just with the help of string, you just little tight it. That's it.
Okay.
That's it.
And now let's see. After 3 weeks.
After 3 weeks, you
Let's
can
see.
see the
Difference.
difference. Exactly, this one is after 21 days. You can just remove from the bottom with the help of secretary, and you can see the roots, how it formed. See? Yeah, you can see this one.
Wow, see the roots, huh?
Yes. Now it's you can. It will be when you repot it, it will be very faster.
It'll grow faster.
It'll grow faster because of the particular variety is very strong root system.
And then we repot it in what? A potting mixture?
Yeah, potting mixture you can use with topsoil with the colite, or you can mix topsoil with the compost,
Yeah.
or coco peat, or whatever this thing. Okay, that's it. When you press it, you have to press it in a corner of the pot, not the middle.
Not
like
the
this.
middle, not to injure the roots.
Yes, not to injure. So just gently you can press it. You press, keep on press it. Then if you need further, you can add some soil, or you can add colite, or
Then
Now-
we just water it,
yes. Now you just water it and keep it in a semi-shade area.
semi-shaded area.
Semi-shade area.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.